Hey, what's up you guys? It's Zach with PCBros, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Homall 44-inch gaming desk from Newegg. I'm going to go over the pros and the cons and my personal opinion of the desk. So let's get right into it. So I found a lot of pros. I mean, to start off, the price point is pretty awesome. $75 on Newegg. There will be a link in the description if you want to check it out. Another pro is this does come with the cup holder as well as the headset hook, which I find to be just a nice little addition, especially for these budget desks. Another pro I found with this desk is that it is super easy to build. It took me about 20 minutes to build, and that was kind of going slow too. The directions made it very easy to follow, and there really wasn't a lot of parts at all. All right, so now for the cons. There's only really two cons that I have, and they're very nitpicky with this desk. I mean, for budget and for the price, there's really not much to complain about. But the first con, you might be able to tell, I'm trying to get a good angle here, is how easily this desk creates fingerprints. Do you see that? I don't know if I just have greasy gamer hands or what, but this desk just creates fingerprints. And that's not usually too big of a problem because how much are you actually touching your desk? But when you're moving it or happen to touch it, it's gonna create all these fingerprints all over it. Now, again, that is pretty easy to clean. It is a minor gripe, but I think it's still a con in my eyes. Now you can very easily fix that with a desk mat, and you can fit everything. I think it just completes the desk. Having a desk mat, I would recommend. Another con are these little plastic accents that they have you put on the desk. They're all the way through. And again, this is a very personal small gripe. Some people might like them, but I really just don't like them. I don't think they look good. They kind of take up some space, but they are here. They're supposed to kind of just be for aesthetic. Now you don't have to put them on, but you're gonna have these ugly holes. They already have some pre-drilled holes for you, so just keep that in mind. And I really dislike it right here because I like to have the monitor clamp and run triple monitor setups personally. So this kind of prevents you from doing that. Now, again, you can take these off and still put the clamp on, and it might kind of hide those ugly holes. So you can do that. And that with a mouse mat would really fix both of those cons for me. Overall, the Homall 44-inch gaming desk is a solid budget gaming desk that checks most of my boxes. I would recommend this to anyone looking for a minimal gaming setup that just needs all the basics. One monitor, a keyboard and mouse, nothing crazy. This will do that perfectly. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.